What's going on YouTube? Big Tuna here out at Headwaters Junction's maintenance facility working on this train car. I was asked through a friend if I would come out and look at it and see if I'd be interested in helping doing some fabrication. As you can see, them dark spots down there, some rust through holes on the outside of the skin that needs to be taken care of, and that's definitely going to happen at a later date. But anyway, they were taking up the floor and found quite a few holes through the subfloor that had rotted out. So they had started on it in a couple spots and got into it and was like, we need additional help. So they asked if I would be willing to fabricate a new floor in here. Once I get all the Z-braces ripped up in that floor, it actually isn't too bad down on to the frame of the car. As you can tell, I've got half of it ripped up here. What you see right here is the main structure of the rail car. I guess the backbone. I'm not sure. This is all new to me. This is in junction with the nickel plate 765 that runs out of Fort Wayne. But this is what they had left me and says, here you go. So there's definitely a lot of rust and everything I got to take care of before we can start setting down a new floor. My plans is to bring it up in elevation a little bit. These cross members here, I don't know if you can really see it or not, but they swoop up a little bit. They've got a slight radius in it. So I plan on taking a piece of 1 inch by 2 inch tubing, laying down on the 2 inch side, 1 inch vertically. Then taking 10 gauge hot rolled material, laying down, weld that down, and then using 2 by 2 by 3/16 angle standing on a toe to mimic the Z-brace, so that way they have a barrier there along a place to put insulation down, then the brand new laminate subfloor. They're not going all the way down. It was just this rear end here that was in really bad shape from the roof leaking and whatnot, and it was definitely a surprise when they started peeling off the stuff out of the walls. You can kind of see the wall inside is rotted out from moisture and stuff wicking up into the insulation, and that'll have to be taken care of as well. But I plan on doing videos of my progress and posting them. But I would like it if you would leave a comment. Let me know what you would do differently or have any other suggestions. I'm willing to listen, and I try to do my best to get back with you on any comments or anything like that. But there's on down the rail car, I don't know if I've said, it's 85 feet long. Internally, externally, needs some fabrication done to it. And hopefully we can get her done. But this is going to be set at Headwaters Junction Park. That's just north of Headwaters Park. They're planning on, I believe they said, a 3-year project. They're going to have a turntable out there. The 765 is going to be out there on display and everything in the engine house. It's going to be a pretty nice little facility when they're done with it. Their intentions are with this rail car is to be for like wedding receptions, dining experience and stuff. So I'm psyched to see what it's going to look like when it's all said and done, and knowing that I have taken a part in it. But I'm going to try my best to come out here several hours a week after work and get this taken care of, as long as the weather stays fairly decent. There's no heat out here other than just what a little salamander that I have to help keep the chill off a little bit. But as you can tell, there's quite a few spots. I mean, nothing horrible. I think we're going to come up about 10, 12 inches, rip the skin off the side of it, and repair it and patch it back in the best of our ability. But here's looking through the ray. You ain't seeing nothing there with that light in your eyes, but here's another portion of it. The car has been quite a few places from what I have been told. They believe that it possibly went over to Korea during the Korean War conflict and was used as a medic car. That's not been confirmed, but that's what people are saying, and here's you from the other side. And you can kind of tell where them cross members angle up a little bit, where I'm going to put a filler in there and go about it a little bit different way. So they're definitely excited. I'm excited for them. Some more bad spots. This side seems to be a lot worse than the other side. I don't know what the deal was or what, but why that rotted out there. I don't know if it was the insulation between the walls or anything, but here's the I call it the head end of it, where where things have been scabbed in just to get it by, and this is all going to be removed and see what's in behind it and what needs to be done to make it right. But they've got it out. As you can see, it's not in horrible shape. It's just been neglected. And so I figured I would post videos and see what people think about the progression of it and everything. And like I said, check out Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society. They've been helping us out with some equipment, donating equipment to us to let us borrow it and use it. There is the electrical panels that was originally from the car. They're going to have a restroom over in that left upper corner there, and this is going to be where the catering and stuff takes place. This will all be seating around through here, and then down there will be the wet bar and stuff too, is what their intentions are, what they've thought of right now. So I'm excited to see it done. So again, YouTube, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and check out the other videos that I have posted and stuff. So until then, everybody have a peaceful, wonderful, and safe day, and I'll catch you all on the flip side. Peace.